welcome to Advantage.
Hey, we're over at Advantage Electronics in Marietta, Georgia, doing a little grand opening show, and got a little booth set up here for DataComm, and we'll be here all day.
You made it.
Nice to meet you. We've got a booth here set up. We're showing off our 30-inch media enclosure here, and then a small demo of our cable trench system as well. This is just a small 30-inch model. Of course, the cable trench system is completely modular and can go anywhere from 15 inches to as big as you want. It comes in 15-inch increments, back boxes, so you can build it completely modular. Like I said, as many solid covers as you want to put on it, or as many brush exit points as well for your service loops. Of course, we've got all our normal stuff, our keystone plates, keystone inserts, jacks, connectors, splitters, and our whole AV line as well, our in-wall wiring kits. So come on by if you're in the area, and thanks for stopping by.